Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss a real-life example for better understanding of the concept of static variable, static method, instance variable, instance methods. When we need to use static, when we go with instance, these things you are going to get clarity. So in our previous classes, we clearly discussed about static variables, methods, and instance variables, methods. So please watch those classes and come back here. Our assumption here is you had a good knowledge of what are all those concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's take this example. Suppose we had a movie theater. For that movie theater, we need to build a web application, and in that application, users can book movie tickets. This is what the application we need to develop. So suppose if in that application we are going with a class book tickets. So this class is having a static int total tickets. Total tickets is a variable which is of type static. Why we have written static? You are going to understand. And we have taken one more variable, number of tickets. This variable is an instance variable. This is static variable, this is instance variable. Why we have considered this as instance variable? Why we have considered this as static variable? So we need to understand, we have to break this code and what's the use of this and why we have written this. Static total occupied. We have written one method called total occupied. This method is a static method and it is going to display system.out.println of total number of tickets. And we have written one more method called void bookaticket of. This is an instance method. This bookaticket of, what is this bookaticket of method is going to do? So suppose if you open a website, based on your login ID, we need to create a separate space for each ID. Why we need to create a separate space for each ID? Suppose if I log in to the website and my ID is ID 1. I am going to buy 2 tickets. Suppose some other person logged into the website. His ID is ID 2. He need to buy 6 tickets. We need to save these values. How many tickets ID 1 is going to buy? How many tickets ID 2 is going to buy? We need a separate space for each person. That is the reason number of tickets ID 1 is going to buy, number of tickets ID 2 is going to buy. We need a separate space for each ID. Means whenever I logged into the website ID 1, I am ID 1. Assign a separate space. Assigning space, we call it as object. That's why this is written as instance variable. Whenever I logged into the website, a separate object is created for me and that object is assigned for me. Means a separate object is created means a separate space for number of tickets has been created. In that space, I am going to store it as how many tickets I am going to buy? 2 tickets. If you logged into the website, a separate space is assigned to you, means a separate object has been created for you and that space is assigned for you. How many tickets you are going to buy? 6 tickets. So that is the reason number of tickets is given as an instance variable. For each login, we have to assign this number of tickets. Now coming to this bookaticket. Each login is going to take his own individual steps. The steps to book a ticket. There are so many steps to book a ticket. That logic should be written here. And after completion of booking, total tickets is equal to total tickets plus number of tickets. For ID 1, what is the number of tickets? 2. Total tickets plus 2. For ID 2, what is the number of tickets? 6. That's why instance variables. This method is going to use instance variables. That's why this method is written as an instance method. For each login, assign a memory space, call this method. He is going to book the tickets. After completion, update the total tickets. For each login, we are going to assign an object. Any object can use the variable. That is what static variable means. That's why total tickets, we keeps on updating the total tickets. Each object is going to update the total tickets. So that's why total tickets is given as a static variable. That is what static variable means. Why we have written total tickets occupied system.out, this is a static method, because this is going to use only static variable. So that's why we don't need to write a instance method for this. If no one has been logged into your system, but we need to check the total number of tickets already booked, then we are going to call this method. It is going to display total tickets. What is the total tickets? 6 plus 2. As of now, how many has logged into our website? And to 6 plus 2, total 8 tickets has been bought. Just this static method is going to use this static variable. No need to create an object, because directly you can call this method, because you need to check only this total number of tickets. Only this static variable is enough. That's why this is written as static method. Hope you understand the difference between which one we have to consider it as static variable, which one we have to consider it as instance variable, and how do we write the instance methods and static methods. If you have this level of understanding, and if you analyze the way we have done like this, it is very, very helpful to understand the concepts of object-oriented programming. Hope you understand the concepts better. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.